whenever they record. Nigga auto record. Saturday.
I want this.
Concentrate. Mira sabata. Wakanyanya uzuma. Sazumi.
Ndo bana jibuma masanga fonda ningiriki no.
Ngona lamba ukuconcentrate ne papa three ma. Ayo ngathi yakuno kumsukuru yakuno. Boshi yakutonyisa.
Anze kunezuwa.
Kunezuwa unonyatso to.
Yeah.
Ngitipeni bizo. Shika padrize. Kudusa zulu. Uyane chair yacho. Uzabulise yini? Chimba kaiba.
Chinja sai kujeki.
Chinja sai.
Akukwane
nyama nenda kukutora kamera mwakachina kudai. Taona.
Rasta. Saka nyaya yenyu ya matanga maipedza nayo kati chichitaura zvimwe zvinhu. Achadura matizwa.
King Alfred yapera because I win. Yeah, King Alfred ambofaka iwina kunyeba.
Awini.
Kana. Vanhu vese vari kuzviziva kuti ndezva tisimatsvaga. But anyways, Iman is a ghetto kid. I'll never stop until I make it. You see it?
Yeah, I understand.
Yes. So Iman wants to say big respect. Yeah, to everybody. Tanya. Yes, I. Nduna.
Yes, I. Navy. Ambernezan.
Yes.
Yes, me.
Heavy. Come here, so everybody in a fine. Everybody on 2nd Street. You see, 2nd Avenue.
2nd Avenue, sell off.
Yeah, sell off. Mbare. See, this is Zimbabwe. Sizzler came to Zimbabwe, but he never touched down 2nd Avenue. You see it? Nobody don't even remember him. Nobody don't even remember him. Right now, I'm at Minox time. My time. See? Yes. They are for 20 years hard. See? Right now, I'm back in Zimbabwe. It's in July 2010. The 29th of July 2010. You see it? I want to say big respect to my brethren in the fight, especially the rough cat band in a Stonebridge.
Stonebridge, man.
London. Saying my brethren.
Northwest London.
Yes, Northwest London, NW10.
Kilburn,
saying, I want to big up my brethren, big time brethren, Bongo Dashi, saying Anthony Thomas. Real name Anthony Thomas, Bongo Dashi from Rough Cat. Saying Fagan, Fish, Bubblers, the producer for Rough Cat. Saying Robert Levi, Micro Prophet.
Oh, Michael Prophet!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm big them up because I'm
How do you know Michael Prophet? Oh my God, he's like my uncle.
Yes, sir. Michael Prophet is my brethren. I live in our house there. Saying because the whole place is like Williston, Houston, Stonebridge. I know Jazzwad. Jazzwad was a student when Iman reached a fire. You know, see it? When they used to have a studio. Saying, I speak the truth. Saying, when Iman reached a fire in 1990, London. Saying, the first time I reached at 12 Donovan Crescent, Stonebridge, where Rafka studio did it. Saying, anybody in the world, if they know Jazzwad is a producer for Bounty Killer. Saying, Jazzwad start from Rough Cat in London. Saying, we used to see him as a youth. You see it? The original Jazzwad right now, the man is circling in Jamaica right now. You see it? Saying, a big and serious. Saying, I'm not talking no puppet show and I mean, no one. Nobody know me because I call a big time name. Saying, he's not a Jamaican, but I can speak the part good. Saying, I can speak it good. Everything good. Saying, yeah. Overseas we say. Elephant man, I have a tune for you. You have to say overseas. Every time you fly out or go out for it, you never even mention overseas. Where you there on elephant? Yeah man, elephant. Overseas are my blood clot thing, man. My blood clot original thing. You have to build that tune on overseas. You see it? And my real thing. Everybody say foreign this and foreign that. Say you can go to Haiti or Bermuda, Bahamas from Jamaica. Overseas you have to fly on it. You see it? So all the youth and youth have ambition. Whether you're in Jamaica, you're in Africa. We are in Africa right now, Zimbabwe state. Born in Zimbabwe, raised in Zimbabwe, in Mbare. Yeah. They give lyrics to the youth called Red Rat.
Hey,
Yeah.
Juice the mentor.
Yeah, Juice at the mentor, I know
He's
him.
my friend.
Saying the man, they give lyrics.